Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Jenn-Air refrigerator door shelf. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new refrigerator door shelf. The refrigerator door shelf is where you store your items on the refrigerator door. The manager should be changing it out if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, you have to open up the refrigerator door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the refrigerator door shelf. These door shelves are used on the upper part of the door. They're used on both doors, so no matter which ones you're changing, they're changed out the same way. They're a little bit smaller than the lower shelf. In order to get it off, all you have to do is lift up and pull it off the door. Here's the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Before we put the new one in, we have to pull the protective film off of it. Once you have the film off, we can put it in. All you have to do is line the refrigerator door shelf up with the mounting tabs and slide it back into place and let it drop down. Once you have it locked in, you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.